So this is a medium coverage foundation. I'm using shade 15 Golden Neutral. I'm gonna put this just right onto this side of my face. I don't have a beauty filter on. I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender, just so you guys can see the luminosity that this gives my skin. All of the glow that you are going to see from this foundation is truly from the ingredients. There's no mica, there's no pearl. If you don't have time for your normal skin prep, once you apply this foundation, your skin will look better than it did before and it will feel hydrated. I'm so happy to say that this foundation is clinically proven to hydrate the skin for more than 8 hours. I think my biggest thing when formulating this foundation is that this foundation needed to mix well with every single step that was going to come after the foundation. Bronzer, blush, I wanted everything to just marry well together. So this is the side without foundation, this is the side with foundation. This comes in 30 shades. I like to wear this foundation pretty sheer. So on this side, I am going to add a little bit of skin prep just so you guys can see the one side with and one side without. So don't mind my color match right now. This is my normal color, but I am in Capri right now. I'm a little bit sunburnt. So this side, I am actually gonna use a brush just so you can see the difference. I think when applying it with a brush, you're able to get a really nice natural sheer finish, which is my preferred way of doing it on myself. But when I do it on my clients, I do normally use a beauty blender just because I want, I'm usually doing like makeup for like a red carpet, so I want a little bit more coverage. But for just like for my everyday, I personally like using a brush. And I'm going to really just move the product around until I feel that it looks really like one with the skin. So I am not a chemist, but I know what products look good on myself and I know what products look good on my clients. And hyaluronic acid was something that I've always applied onto my skin even before doing makeup. It always gave me this like glass skin effect, which I needed to have in my foundation. So there are 3 types of hyaluronic acid in here. There's squalane. So like, do you see like this, like, I don't even have to like, do you see this glow? When I was creating this foundation, I would bring in all of like my skincare products that I loved that really gave my skin that glassy, glowy look. And I wanted it in this foundation. I have nothing else on my face right now. I just love that my skin looks healthy, it looks bouncy, it looks luminous. I wanted you to get compliments on your skin and not your makeup. Because this foundation is a hydrating, luminous foundation, you are going to need to set certain areas of the face. So I'm just gonna set basically my under eyes. I'm gonna set my T-zone, especially my smile lines. And this is going to allow your skin to have dimension. You're still gonna get this like glass skin on the sides. And I'm just gonna brush everything away. The center of your face should be nice and blurred and the cheekbones should be nice and glassy.